So the dollar is not the go-to currency the way it was. It is not the safe haven that it was. And in fact, also on Friday, the ECB came out and said that it would buy Italian sovereign debt, provided that Italy balanced its budget. And yesterday, Italy came out with some real serious proposals for significant cuts in government spending, real cuts, not the phony cuts that we got here in America. So I think what you're going to see happening in the weeks ahead is the market is going to get behind the euro and dump the dollar. You know, everybody has been focused on the euro, the eurozone, and at the same time, they have neglected to look at the real problems for the dollar. Because while Europe might be getting its fiscal house in order,
isn't betting on a collapse right now. I mean, no one is buying, options that expire next month, puts on the dollar index, or, maybe some people are. That's not what I'm advising people to do. So I'm not telling people to bet on a dollar collapse tomorrow. That's not what I'm advising people to do. So I'm not telling people to bet on a dollar collapse tomorrow. That's not what I'm advising people to do. So I'm not telling people to bet on a dollar collapse.
In part because the dollar has remained strong. Why do you think that is? I mean, you've been calling, or have called, for a dollar collapse in the past.
Well, I still say that hyperinflation is a worst case scenario. So I never say that we're going to have it for sure.
Is that all you have to say?
Well, I still say that hyperinflation is a worst case scenario. So I never say that we're going to have it for sure.
Because a rose by any other name, smells just as sweet, or in this case, as sour, because I wouldn't call it a rose, because of the anticipation of a collapse that never occurred. Because too many people, or not enough people, understand the truth. That's why we've got to do what we can to make sure that the truth does get out. So if you have the opportunity, why not share this video?
We've only just begun.
Before this battle's over, the world will know that few stood against many.